Hey guys, welcome to my car. I finally got a tripod for the windshield, and so now I can vlog in the car, which is so exciting. I don't know why I didn't like set this up before Vlogmas, but anyway, nonetheless, I don't really know what channel this is actually going to go up on as of right now, but my goal in 2018 is to vlog a lot more, and I would love to do weekly vlogs. I don't want to commit to daily vlogging because that's a whole nother level, but it would be really cool to like film a clip every single day, like, you know, just here and there whenever I feel like it, and then at the end of every week just put up a weekly vlog. Like I said, I don't know if this is going to go on my main channel or my vlog channel yet, but yeah, I hope you guys are excited. I love vlogging, and like now that I have a new camera, I feel really excited about it, and I just like looking back on, you know, things I want to. I'm actually having a really great day so far. I went to bed super early last night. I actually went to bed before midnight, which hasn't happened in multiple weeks, and so I actually woke up on my own at 8:40, and I was like, you know what, let's go to the gym, because new year, I really want to start exercising daily, and dance doesn't start until next week. So I got myself ready and I actually went to the gym. Super embarrassing though, I basically fell off the stair climber thing. It's new to my gym, and I like set it up to go too fast because the thing wouldn't adjust, and I completely fell off, and it was super embarrassing. And the girl beside me was like, are you okay? I'm like, really hope you're the only one that saw that, but probably not. So that happened. And then I continued to exercise, and then I left, and then I got myself ready, which again, I haven't been ready with like makeup on before noon in so long, and it's currently 12:30, and I'm on my way to a low heat laser to get my, what I think is my 5th treatment for laser hair removal. Then when I come back, I'm going to film a main channel video. I think it's going to be planner related because I've been really inspired to talk about planning, and I have mentioned before in other vlogs that I am completely revamping my channel, and I'm so excited. I made a whole new intro and outro and kind of just like overall vibe to my channel with Cody. We kind of went over it a couple days ago, and I'm really excited for it, and I want to do something completely different. I'm just ready for change, and I'm ready to evolve, and I'm ready to just change it up, and I hope you guys are willing to come with me on this journey, and you're excited because I am, and yeah, it should be a good time. But until then, time to go get my hair removed laserly. Super foggy out, but we are here, low heat laser, let's go do this. And just like that, the session is done. It literally takes 15 minutes, if that. This is actually only my 4th session, which is kind of crazy. I definitely thought it was my 5th or 6th because they are so spread out. I definitely didn't think that it was only my 4th, which is kind of crazy because you go 10 weeks apart. But it's definitely giving my armpits results, and yes, it does hurt. I like clench my fists every single time that the laser goes in because it is quite painful in the moment, but it's over in literally a flash, so it's okay, and it's totally worth it. And by the summer, I should be done with all my sessions and have no more hair under my arms, which is so exciting. Good morning, guys. It is now Thursday, January 4th, and I am dead. I just got back from my first ever Pure Barre class, and wow, that is not an easy exercise class. Not that any exercise class is easy, but like they're triggering different muscles, and it's very different than any type of other class I've done before. So it was very challenging, but of course that always happens when you go to like your first time going to a class. But the instructor was so nice, and she gave me like a rundown of like how class works and like different things, and she was super helpful. And even after, she was like, your hip flexors are probably in pain right now, and I was like, actually they are. And she's like, that is typical with dancers because this is working a very different muscle group. I mean, not completely different, but you know, it's just different, and it's not what we're used to when we go to like a bar class. You know, ballet is not ballet. So yeah, I don't know why my eye is like so red, but it's coming up so much more red on camera. That's so bizarre. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and reply to comments on my new video because I posted one super late last night, which is so unlike me. Normally I just post in the morning, but went up last night and it was a plan with me video, basically kind of how I'm going to use my planner for the new year. So if you haven't seen it, I'll have it linked down below. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here, reply to comments, probably make myself a smoothie. It's 10, well, I guess it's almost 11 now, which is good. I'm never up this early or like, you know, moving. So new year, new me. It's working out really well. I mean, it's the 4th day in, but you get the point. Tonight's dinner, we have chicken, steamed vegetables, very steamed. And then I also made some lemon garlic potatoes, and I'm pretty excited about it. Good morning, guys. It is Friday the 5th, I think it is now. I'm driving back home from my 2nd ever Pure Barre class because I decided since I have a free full week that I should utilize it and, you know, kill myself. So that's what I did. I went to the 9:30 class and it was easier the second time, but like still really difficult. I've noticed that I'm so much stronger on one side that I can't even do any exercises on, the other side I can, and like I'm fine, you know? It's super weird, but I want to keep going, so it probably won't be an everyday thing, but I'll definitely like go once a week. I think that's what my goal is going to be, because it is a really good strength class and I do need to build up my strength for dance and stuff. So anyway, enough about that. That is what I'm doing, and the past 3 days I've actually gotten up early and gone to work out, which is so new to me, so hopefully I can keep it up because I really like it. I find that I have so much more day. I almost find I have like, I'm kind of bored because I get all my work done really early, so I don't know. You guys heard the new Justin Timberlake song? Cody said it's not very good, and I would kind of have to agree with him, but I like the beat in it. I think it's very catchy. It is a lot later now. I'm gonna just turn that all the way down. We're doing some fun Friday night grocery shopping because I wanted to get some stuff to make taco bowls tonight because that's what I've been craving. So we have a very extensive grocery list. Hopefully it's not too busy. It usually isn't on Fridays, and we're just gonna do our major healthy grocery shop. It's gonna be fun. I hate that noise so much. So here's a look at our grocery list. This is probably the longest one I've had in quite a while, but I looked up a bunch of recipes on Pinterest, so I have to get a lot of random stuff to go in those. First order of business, pick out some new fresh flowers. Really want some white ones. Kind of want white roses, but I don't think they have any. We weren't kidding when we said this was a big grocery shop. There's like 3 meals that I'm gonna cook from scratch in here, and then just like some other random stuff like popcorn. Oh boy. But we're finding everything, so I'm getting very hungry. Yeah, start with half. I'm not the biggest fan of beans, so we'll see how this goes. And then 1 cup of the corn that's in the corner. Corn that's in the corner.
Corn in the spotlight.
Losing your religion?
Yep.
Yep. Anyways, we're home from the grocery store and we're making our dinner, as you guys can see. So we're doing those chicken taco salad bowl things. So Cody's cooking the meat. I cut up some pepper that we're gonna add, and then I also have some brown rice going. Don't mind our clean dishes. Brown rice going, and then we also have some taco seasoning along with some cheese and some salsa. Yeah, salsa, cheese, and guac. Guac is the other thing. One of our biggest New Year's resolutions was to stay at home and cook our meals, so we just spent a ton of money at the grocery store, as you guys saw, to make hopefully a bunch of meals. We're gonna be making this, a stew, and also a lasagna, because I've actually never made lasagna, and I just wanna get better and have a wide range of things that we know how to cook. So got that. Also got some spaghetti squash, because we had that last week and it was bomb, so we got a couple more of those. But yeah, we're just trying to cook for ourselves. And I wanted tacos, but in a healthier way. Here is a finished taco bowl salad thing. So we have rice, spinach, our meat mixture that has chicken, tomato sauce, corn, beans, a few red peppers, mixed in with some taco seasoning. And then on top we have some cheese with some salsa and some taco sauce. I'm really hoping this tastes good, and if it does, I'll leave the recipe down below and give you guys a verdict after we try it. So we just finished the food, and what would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
I would too. It was actually so good. I'm so happy with it. Everything tasted amazing. So I will link the original recipe where I got the inspo from down below. I found it just on Pinterest and it worked really well. Like I said, we used ground chicken instead of ground turkey, but do it as you will. And I'm glad we have a little bit of leftovers so I can have it for lunch tomorrow. Yay, cooking! We did it. Together.
Cooking squad.
Okay.
Smash that like button if you also cook. What up?
He's a keeper.